Hey guys, what's going on? This is Funko Pop Boy Brandon back here with another video. Now I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a really long time. It's just that I haven't had my phone. But now I have my phone uploaded and I'm bringing you more of my new things I just got. Same as Funko Pop Boy Josiah, but I got a mystery mini. As you see, I have the Guardians of the Galaxy one. I already opened this. It's just that I never had my phone. I know who I got, but it's actually really cool. And I'm just gonna give you a hint. It's at the bottom. It's a glow. So, yeah. Now, as you see, you got Rocket Raccoon. I only know a couple. You got Rocket Raccoon, Groot, and Drax. I really actually wanted, either Groot or Rocket Raccoon because they're the two cool characters. But that's not who I got, sadly. So, yeah. Let's see who I got. This one was actually cool. I wanted this as well, which I was really happy to get. But here's the bags. But, yeah. I'm just going to open it now. It's a glow-in-the-dark, remember. I got Drax. He's so cool. Now, he doesn't look glow in the dark, but when you put him in the dark, he does glow. He is obviously a bobblehead. Now, where I'm going to be doing my mystery minis is going to be probably right here. And, yeah, but as you can see here, you got the two knives, his black pants, his tattoo things, and, bobblehead, and, yeah. He's gray. Now, I don't know if a lot of people know this, but he was played by David Bautista, which is a former wrestler. I don't watch wrestling anymore. But, yeah, I also have, I think, three. Wow, 3 Funko Pops I have to review. My birthday is also coming up in June 23rd. Last day of school for me. And, yeah, but this is just an awesome Funko Pop mini, mystery mini. You guys can see the back of the box. Everybody in there. Oh, yeah, and I know, Thanos. Something like that. But yeah, this is definitely pretty cool. I have a new spot to keep my Funko Pops. But yeah, guys, thank you all for tuning in. Stay tuned for my reviews of the 3 new guys I have to bring before you guys. And definitely for more Funko Pop mystery minis. I have to buy those. But yeah, guys, thank you all for watching. Have a good day, and peace.